a machine from Shandong iGOLDENCNC Technology Company Limited in China. The machine arrived in Ghana about 6 weeks ago, and it was installed yesterday. It's working perfectly well. I recommend this machine to various customers all over the world. It's a very good machine. Everything is good. It works very, 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 very well. These are some of the samples the machine made yesterday. These are some of the samples we made from the machine. So this is the machine, and I recommend it to everybody, every good customer. Thank you.